Vanakkam. Hi, how are you all? Welcome to JST Creation Crochet. This is Sudha. Today's tutorial, let's see how to make this beautiful stitch. Come, let's start. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains and make a slip knot on the first chain. Now, again, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Triple crochet. Wrap the yarn 2 times and release 1, 2, 3 times. Second triple crochet. 1, 2, 3 times. Third triple crochet. Fourth triple crochet. And fifth triple crochet. You see, again make 4 chains. Now make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triple crochet. Again, make 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and then make 5 triple crochet. Here, 3 sets of 5 triple crochets are in this set. This is one set. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 chains. Now skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5th chain, make slip knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 slip knots. This is considered as 1 triple crochet. Now again, there is a circle on that space. Make triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 triple crochet on that space. Now move on to the first set of triple crochet and the yarn. Make a slip knot on to that to join the vertex. Right now, again, see how it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Now make 5 triple crochet on this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triple crochet. Now make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make another set of 5 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triple crochets. This is the second set of the workings. Continue second set. Now I am repeating the same 14 chains, 5 slip knots, 5 slip knot, 4 triple crochet onto this, 2, 3 and 4. Now right 4. Now make a slip knot on the previous set and make 4 chains. Again make 5 triple crochets. Again 4 chains and 5 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 triple crochets. Continue this. Now I am moving on to the second row. Make 4 chains and make 5 triple crochet on the space. 2, 3, 4 and 5 triple crochets. Now make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Make a slip knot on this space. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make 5 triple crochet on that space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 triple crochet. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make a slip knot here. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and repeat this again and again. On the last set of triple crochet, make 4 triple crochets. Make a slip knot on the 5th chain. Complete row number 2. Now row number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 chains and make 5 slip knots. 2, 3, 4 and 5 slip knot. Now make 4 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make a slip knot on top of this first set of workings. Now make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, turn the work, 5 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triple crochet up here. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and 5 triple crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 chains, make 5 slip knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Make 4 triple crochet on this piece. 2, 3, and 4 triple crochets. Now, go to the previous work and make a slip knot onto it. Again, make 4 chains, 2, 3, 4 chains, turn the work and make 1 triple crochet and move on to the first set of work. There, I'm going to make a slip knot here on the second row. Again, make another 4 set of triple crochets here. 3, 4, and 5. 5 triple crochets. Now, make a slip knot on the previous work, second row. Now, repeat the same. Make 14 chains. 5 slip knot, rather stitch. 2, 3, 4 and 5 slip stitch. Make 4 triple crochet on the space. Make the slip knot onto this space. Make 4 chains and make 1 triple crochet on that space. Again, move on to the previous work and make 1 slip knot here. Again, go to the same space and make 4 triple crochets. Total 5 triple crochet on the chain space. Make slip knot. Continue this work. This is row number 4. Make 4 chains and make 5 triple crochet on this space. And 5 triple crochet. Now make 4 chains, 2, 3, 4 chains, and make another set of 5 triple crochet there on the same space. Now again, see 4 sets are there. Now again make 4 chains and slip knot on that. Sorry. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make 5 triple crochet here. Continue this sequence. Repeat row number 3 and 4 and continue your work. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like my videos, and drop your comments on the comment box. See you all on next video. Nandri, Vanakkam.